Has the religion you currently have been a result of your own choice? Or is it the result of the choice of your culture and country? My personal opinion is that a person cannot find the right decision by living only once, which is why we should place great people and philosophers in our destiny and use their perspectives. In this playlist, the views and beliefs of the French scholar Maurice Bucaille have been compiled for you. And in this segment, let's listen to the Quran's views on the sky and the sea. Be sure to watch this video and don't miss it. It might change your perspective on life. Have you ever thought about a book that was written 1400 years ago and is now being confirmed by modern science? Not a myth, not a legend. Let's watch this together.
The Qur'an mentions the sea multiple times, not as a source of myths or superstition, but as a reflection of divine power through the natural world. It speaks of ships sailing by God's command, of treasures from the sea, like fresh food and ornaments. He it is who made the sea subservient, that you may eat fresh meat from it, and extract from it ornaments which you wear. Qur'an 16:14. But then comes something curious, something scientifically fascinating. The Qur'an speaks of two bodies of water, one sweet, the other salty, and a barrier between them that prevents immediate mixing. He has let loose the two seas, meeting together. Between them is a barrier which they do not cross. Qur'an 55:19-20. Today, oceanographers confirm this phenomenon in estuaries, where fresh river water meets salty seawater, and they remain separate for long distances. You'll find it in the Shat al-Arab, the Mississippi Delta, the Yangtze River, and beyond. No ancient science could explain this, but somehow the Qur'an described it with accuracy. Let's zoom in. From the seas to the land. The Earth's surface, the Qur'an says, is like a carpet spread out, a stable platform for life to thrive. God made the earth for you like a carpet, so you may travel its wide paths. We have spread the earth. How well we did it. Qur'an 51:48. What lies beneath that carpet, though, is no peaceful bed. The earth's crust is thin, just a few miles deep, floating above a boiling, molten interior. That's where mountains come in. The Qur'an describes mountains not just as majestic sights, but as stakes, anchors, or pegs, holding the earth's crust steady. Have we not made the earth an expanse and the mountains as pegs? Qur'an 78:6-7. And we placed on earth mountains standing firm so it does not shake with them. Qur'an 21:31. Modern geology agrees. Mountains are formed by folding and tectonic pressure, driving parts of the crust deep underground like roots. They stabilize the surface just as the Qur'an described.
This wasn't poetry, it was geology that the Quran had stated centuries ago. In the continuation of the video, we want to challenge your mind. Don't miss this video, and before that, subscribe to our channel so you don't forget. Let's go watch the rest of the video together.
Let's rise above the mountains now, into the sky. The Qur'an says, whoever God wills to misguide, he makes his chest tight and constricted as if he were climbing into the sky. Qur'an 6:125. Sounds metaphorical, right? But today we know exactly what that feels like. As we rise in altitude, air pressure drops. Oxygen levels fall. Breathing becomes difficult. Your chest tightens, just like the verse describes. Centuries ago, no one knew this. Today, we call it altitude sickness. The Qur'an also speaks of clouds, lightning, and hail, not in mystic terms, but with surprising scientific clarity. Do you not see that God drives the clouds, then joins them together, then makes them into a heap? Then you see rain come out of them. Qur'an 24:43. That's exactly how meteorologists describe cumulonimbus cloud formation, the kind that produces hailstorms and lightning. It even mentions that hail can cause the flash of lightning, which aligns with what we now understand about electrical charge separation inside thunderclouds.
So, what do we conclude from this story? A book written in the 7th century has referred to natural events in such a way that it not only didn't conform to the common scientific errors of that time, but also didn't include them. The Quran is not a scientific book, but the science within it does not contradict scientific facts. Is this a coincidence? Science changes over time, but the truth does not. If this topic has fascinated you, be sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos.